Geneva Motor Show coming up in March, Mazda has revealed the first few images of the 2018 Mazda 6 Wagon. Upon its full debut, the refreshed Wagon will join its sedan sibling, which has already celebrated its global premiere at last year's Los Angeles Auto Show. The design changes are largely carried over from the sedan, with the CX-5-inspired front end featuring a new grille surround that no longer intrudes into the headlights. This warrants a change in the cluster shape, and there has been an update to the light graphics with new LED daytime running lights. Further down, the lower section of the bumper incorporates thin chrome strips in the corners. The car seen here also appears to wear the same 19-inch wheels that are available for the sedan. Barring any rear shots, there should be tweaks to the rear fascia as well. Moving inside, the Wagon's cabin is a direct duplicate of the sedan, with an all-new dashboard layout. There are now slimmer air vents, accompanied by Japanese sandwood trim inlay and ultra-suede new wrap trim. Expect similar chassis revisions as well as a new engine option, the latter involving a Skyactiv G2.5T turbo unit from the CX-9. The mill makes 250 horsepower and 420 Nm on the sedan, but is only available with a 6-speed automatic transmission.